Now we're going to have a quiz about the sounds that letters make. And here I want you just to write the lowercase letter of the sound that you hear. And I will give you an example. But first, make sure you have a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil. So this says, listen to the sound of a letter, then write the letter. Number 1. Ah. Ah. What makes the ah sound? The letter A. Okay. Number 2. D. D. Number 3. F. F. Number 4. S. S. Number 5. J. J. Number 6. P. P. Number 7. Eh. Eh. Number 8. I. I. Number 9. Mm. Mm. Number 10. K. K. Number 11. Ah. Ah. Number 12. G. G. Number 13. Number 14. Number 15. And number 16. Wa. I will read through those one more time. Number 1. Ah. 2. D. 3. F. 4. S. 5. J. 6. P. 7. E. 8. I. 9. 10. K. 11. Ah. 12. G. 13. 14. 15. 16.